What's up mga Pabiboys? So ayan ang ating Pabiboys vlogs na pag-vlog.
Siguro.
Heartthrob ng bayan. So ayan guys, ating Pabiboys vlog driving mode. Papunta kami sa... Saan kayo pupunta mga Pabiboys?
Speed trap reported ahead.
Nagsasalita na si Waze.
May basketball ang ating Pabiboys Carl.
Ano, semi-finals. Pag nanalo sila, finals. So, ako muna mag-a-attend. Next duty muna.
That's duty. Iba-ibang mga school to, diba? O, iba-ibang mga school. So, umabot sila ng semi-finals.
All over the UAE. So,
all over UAE.
Sa karangalan, yung anak ko na grade 8 pa lang, nasali na sa varsity. So hindi pa natin expect na magdo-dominate yan kasi bata pa, grade 8 pa lang. So, mas matatanda yung mga kasama niya. So, I think siya yung pinakabata. Right, Carl? Ikaw yung pinaka-young, di ba?
No, there's still young than...
Meron pa? So, anyway. Update namin kayo. Drive muna ako kasi nandito tayo sa highway. So, mabilisan dito. At late na kami kasi 12:50 yung game nila. Anong oras na? So, almost 30 minutes ang biyahe natin. So, let's go.
No vlogging.
Why? Why no vlogging?
Not allowed.
Why?
Why? Is there any restriction?
There's no people coming.
How come there's no people? There's a lot of people.
Free.
Free?
This registered.
They'll direct you to parking as well.
How do you still remember?
You want to work? Yes, you can register there as a visitor. Okay, thank you. No problem.
Registration muna. Ayan. Para pag wala si Clark, may contact number.
How about me?
No, you know, no? You know?
I don't.
Oh, you don't. He said he cannot memorize also. You want? Oh, Clark, go. Oh, stay with your family, huh? Wow, you will get a bracelet. So, ayan, dito pa kami sa registration. Ayan, ating
Let me see this if I can memorize. Oh.
So yung what's up mga pa-B-boys, dito kami ngayon sa parang ano to, sports event ng lahat ng university dito sa UAE at mga schools. Ayan. So nandito kami sa registration, need magpa-register. Tapos sila yung mga bata, linagyan nila ng tag kasi napakalaki talaga ng place. So para if mawala sila, show me your tag. You have?
No, I memorized in 3 seconds.
What?
Zero.
You know, memorize my number.
Yeah.
So you don't want that? Want it?
No.
Huh?
I memorized it in like 1
Hindi
minute.
ka naman mawawala. Hindi mo mawawala to. Pag nawala to, wala naman tong kukuha sa kanya. No? No? So, are you excited to watch Kuya? Go TPGS.
PGS.
Yeah, right? So, update namin kayo. Sana manalo sila. Pag nanalo sila, finals na sila. Pag natalo, go home. So, let's go.
So ayan guys, may ano kami, wristband. Tapos dito, para tayo nasa airport, bibigay muna natin yung mga gamit for checking. Ayan. Clarky!
Thank you, brother.
Clark!
We love you.
Wow, thank you. Wala man laman yata kay Clark. May laman. Wow, what is that? What's inside? Wow, you're so happy, ha? Show me. Matagal
talaga ang pa-B-boys.
Oo. Yung hindi pwede, nagiging pwede. Ang imposible, naging possible. Di ba, Mami Moose Vlogs?
It's a
Talaga,
water
no?
bottle.
Wow.
It's It's a water bottle. It's the one that quick one.
Oh, Kuya Har. Nice one.
Magbibit-bit na ito yan.
Oh, like that.
Look, Eric.
So yeah, may fun zone dito. So may fun zone. Fun zone. So yan. Pwede maglaro mga bata dito, guys, di ba? So you can play. Want to play? Play.
Is that free?
Ayan, si Kabayan, may pa-ice cream. Ayan, shout out muna dyan. Ang ganda ng titinda ng ice cream. Dapat nag-artista ka na lang. Magkano po yung ganyan? 8? 20. Sige po, pagkatapos po. Ayun. Yun, oh.
We are delighted to welcome onto the stage basketball under 19 bronze girl.
Oh, awarding pala dito. So this is the fun zone. So you can play now, guys, if you want. Yeah, it's free. It's free. You can play. Yan, so may mga ano dito. Go!
You go first. Now play the scissor.
Ayan, may games dyan. There in the bounce.
Thank
So
you
there's
very much, ladies.
male athlete zone. Napaka dito. Ay, mga medalist bronze. So may fun zone here. There's badminton. Ayun, doon ka na daw, Kusyan. Remove your slippers. Explore natin dito kung anong meron dito. Ito yung zone para sa mga bisita, yung mga gustong mag-chillax lang. So ayan, pwede ka mag-bounce dyan. Diba? Bounce dito. Sige. Hoy, kumusta? Ayan, daming activities dito. May football. Ayan, may mga... Yun guys, hintay lang namin sila Carl kasi panalo sila sa semis. So, ano na sila? Finals against Al Raha School. So, we're here right now para... Ito, So may charging station din dito. So yan, may charging station dito para sa mga cellphone. Tapos, so yan, nandito tayo sa Ninja Course. O, diba? Parang Ninja Course. So may ano sila na mga height, may weight. Ayan si sir, height, weight. So dito yung registration nila. Registration para, yan. Parang ano yan, American Ninja. So yeah, may mga course. So sa Ninja Course. Tapos dito meron naman tayong ito parang malaking ano to, balloon. Parang jump.
Hold your medals, boys.
Clark!
Last picture.
Are you okay? What are there with mommy? There, mommy sir.
Thank you so much, boys.
So yan, dito sila, naglalaro sila. May football. Ano si Sean? Habang laro lang. Tapos madaming activities dito guys. Tapos meron din dito, ayan, may uupo ka. Tapos ayan, ito, naglalaro sila, football. O, diba? Tawag pala dito, sub-soccer. Tapos ito, tech ball. Tech ball naman to. Itong, ano na to. Tapos sa banda doon, merong mga athlete zone. So may athlete zone doon, tapos may mga laro din dito, pwede ka alam ko parang ano to, table tennis or whatever, pero naka-incline. So yan, athlete zone, doon yung stage. Ito naman yung mga awarding, nako. Yan, dyan yung sa awarding naman, guys. Yan yung stage para sa mga awarding. Pagkataas ng laro, diretso, ano, tapos dito, ang Athletes Village naman dito. Ayan, say hello to my vlog. Ayan, dito naman yung male athlete zone. Can I check? It's okay?
Yeah.
What's inside?
This is the
It's just
male athlete zone.
athlete zone, huh?
So
there is
here between
washroom. Yeah. It's like a majlis for them. to relax. Okay. So,
They can grab their snacks from there.
yeah. Can I grab my snacks too?
You have an athlete card?
I don't have. No problem, I'm just joking. Ay, akala ko may makakalibre din ako eh. Kailangan pala ng athlete card dun. So, yun. Ayan, so madaming mga athlete dito. Mga athlete, mga bata. So, supportahan natin mga athletes. Ayan. So, yung iba tapos na. O, diba? At, tamang ano lang. Oh, dito may UFC. UFC gym. Yan, yung mga mahilig sa suntukan. Pwede dito sa UFC gym. UFC gym UAE. So this is the UFC gym UAE. Here. Ayun, may belt. So, can we check the belt, ma'am? Oh, see? Ito yung UFC belt.
Yeah, sure. This is the original one. You want to take photo with?
Later. I will take
Okay,
one.
sure. This is the original one.
Okay. Sa video, ma'am, right?
Yeah,
So
video.
yan, Pabibos Vlogs, UFC champion. Bagay ba? Thank you so